Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a quick review about this Chinese walkie-talkie that I've bought online. There's two packages that I already opened it. It cost $47.65 US. It's quite cheap and has a lot of features in it. One of the reason I bought this walkie-talkie because my old Motorola walkie-talkie has already broke since long time ago. While I discover and try to go around with my friend, especially going to somewhere with our motorcycle, we would like to use walkie-talkie as a simple device to communicate in a short distance. There's a lot of features that they give to us when you buy this walkie-talkie. You will have some of main features like long communication range, noise reduction circuit, battery safe CTCS SDCS, scrambler, high capability lithium-ion battery, FM radio, and also it will long standby. Here is some of specification in general of this walkie-talkie. Frequency range, VHF 136-174 MHz UHF 400-520 MHz. Memory channels, up to 128 channels. Frequency stability, 2.5 ppm. Frequency step, 2.5/5/6.25/10/12.5/25 kHz. Antenna impedance, 50 ohm. Operating temperature, 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Supply voltage, rechargeable lithium-ion 7.4 V/1800. Consumption in standby, equals 75 megaampere. For the size, it quite small. It is about dimensions, 58 mm x 110 mm x 32 mm. Weight, 130 g. Approximate. Transmitter RF power 4W/1W. Type of modulation FM. Emission class 16 kFF3E/11 kFF3E within. Maximum deviation equals ±5/ equals ±2.5 kHz within. Spurious emissions less than 60 decibels. Receiver sensitivity 0.2 V at 12 decibels. SINAD intermodulation 60 decibels. Audio output 1000 megawatts. Adjacent channel selectivity 65/60 decibels. Package contain 1x Bifang BFUV B2 plus 1x 7.4 V 4800 mAh battery pack, 1x dual band antenna, 1x belt clip, 1x desktop charger, 100 V to 240 V. 2-pin USA or 3-pin UK or 2-pin Euro or 2-pin Australia. 1x English user MNUAL. 1x PTT earpiece for free.